Yes guys, today we will start with the new topic, that is simple interest. You have already discussed about the principal, rate and time. Yes, simple interest, the formula for finding the simple interest means you can write in the short form SI, that is principal, PRINCIPL, principal by P, time T and rate R. Yes, rate by R divided by 100. Now what is principal, what is time, what is rate? देखिए आप बैंक जाते हो, आपने क्या किया, कुछ अमाउंट को आप डिपॉजिट कराते हो, दैट अमाउंट इज सेड टू बी प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट. और सपोज कीजिए आप उसको डिपॉजिट कराते हो 4 इयर्स के लिए, तो दैट विल बी द टाइम एंड एट विच रेट यू डिपॉजिट देयर, कि आपको जो सिंपल इंटरेस्ट है किस रेट से मिलता है, दैट इज रेट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 4% रेट. देन आपको कितना अमाउंट मिलेगा 4 इयर्स के बाद, दैट इज फाइंडिंग द सिंपल इंटरेस्ट. आफ्टर दैट टोटल अमाउंट विल बी इक्वल टू, व्हेन यू विल total amount, that is the principal plus simple interest. देखिए आप कुछ पैसे डिपॉजिट कराते हो, उसके ऊपर पैसे के ऊपर इंटरेस्ट लगता है, और जब आप विड्रॉ कराते हो तो उससे हमें टोटल अमाउंट क्या हो जाता है, प्रिंसिपल प्लस सिंपल इंटरेस्ट. नाउ वी विल टेक एग्जांपल फॉर फाइंडिंग द सिंपल इंटरेस्ट. फर्स्ट एग्जांपल इज find simple interest for the principal amount is P, that is rupees 8,000 time T 4 years and the rate will be R, that is 3%. Now what will we get? सिंपल इंटरेस्ट फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे आप लोग, प्रिंसिपल इंटू रेट इंटू टाइम डिवाइडेड बाय 100. यस, व्हाट इज प्रिंसिपल? 8,000. डायरेक्टली यू कैन पुट एंड द रेट इज 3% एंड टाइम इज 4 डिवाइडेड बाय 100. यू विल गेट डायरेक्टली 80 into 12, 960 rupees. This is the simple interest. Yes, it is clear. If you want to find the total amount, how much amount you will get back from the bank or post office after getting this simple interest? So total amount will be equal to principal plus simple interest. Now what is the value of the principal? 8,000 plus simple interest is 960. So total amount will be 8960 rupees. 8,960 rupees we will get back from the after getting deposited. Now we will take another example for finding the simple interest and amount. A man borrowed rupees 15,000 from a cooperative bank at the rate of 8% per annum, means yearly, and for the 4 years to find the simple interest and the amount has to be paid back. Now what is given? आपको देखिए here what is given? Yes, given is principal. कितने बोरो करने हैं? Principal amount is, how much is principal? Rupees 15,000. Now what is the rate of interest? Rate R, that is equal to 8% per annum. Now time. How much time you want to take that amount? 4 years. How much time? 4 years. Now what will be the simple interest? Now what is simple interest? Formula apply कीजिए. PRT means principal rate and time and divided by 100. What is the principal? 15,000 into 8% rate and time is 4 years divided by 100. We will get back yes, what will be the total amount? 4,800. Yes, 4,800. Now the total amount What is the formula for finding the total amount? Principal plus rate, principal plus simple interest. Yes, principal plus simple interest. Now what is the principal? 15,000 and the simple interest is 4,800. So after calculating, what will we get from here? 19,800 rupees. 19,800 rupees will be the total amount we have to pay after 4 years. Means आपको क्या समझ में आया बच्चों? आपको क्या समझ में आया? हमने किसी बैंक से 15,000 रुपीज लिए हैं 4 इयर्स के लिए, उसके ऊपर जो इंटरेस्ट है 8% पर एनम लगता है। मीन्स एवरी ईयर आपको 8% इंटरेस्ट देना है। तो हमने पहले क्या किया, सबसे पहले उसको इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेट किया कि 4 सालों में हमारा कितना इंटरेस्ट बनता है, दैट इज 4,800। नाउ व्हाट विल बी पे, हमें 4 साल के बाद बैंक को क्या पे करना है टोटल। हमने क्या किया, प्रिंसिपल हमारा 15,000 था, 4,800 हमारा इंटरेस्ट था, तो 19,800 हमें क्या करना पड़ा, पे बैक करना पड़ा। Is that clear? Now we will take another example. Now second example, Ram borrowed a sum of rupees 2,000. राम ने क्या किया, 2,000 रुपीज लिए एक बैंक से and returned 2,480 rupees after 3 years. Find the simple interest. Now what we have to given क्या क्या है आपके पास, how much amount he has borrowed, that is principal is rupees 2,000 and total amount is given also, what he paid after 3 years, rupees 2,480, time is here 3 years, but what we have to find, rate we have to find and simple interest we have to find. Both the things we have to find. Now according to the formula, total amount, what is the formula for the total amount? That is the principal plus simple interest. Now what is the total amount is given, 2,480 rupees, principal is 2,000 and now what we have to find, simple interest. Now exchange transport and this will get 2,480 minus, क्या हो जाएगा इधर जाकर, चेंज करेंगे जब हम इसकी पोजीशन, माइनस इट विल 480 रुपीज, देन सिंपल इंटरेस्ट इज हाउ मच, 480 रुपीज. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड, व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड, द रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू द फॉर्मूला, व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर सिंपल इंटरेस्ट, दैट इज प्रिंसिपल इनटू रेट इनटू टाइम डिवाइडेड बाय 100. नाउ बाय गेटिंग क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाइंग, व्हाट वी गेट फ्रॉम हियर, व्हाट वी गेट, simple interest into 100 is equal to P into R into T. देखिए 1 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, it will be okay, same will be there, and simple interest into 100. Yes, simple. Now what we have to find, rate. आपने रेट को क्या रखना है, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, बाकी कहाँ पर डिवाइड हो जाएंगे, राइट हैंड साइड जाकर के. सो SI is equal to 100 by P into T. If we want to find P, then here will be R into T. If we want to time, then P into R will be there. Now by applying the value of total amount is, what was the total amount, 2,480. After getting subtracting, we get the simple interest of 480 rupees into 100 divided by principal is what, 2,000 was the principal and the time was 3 years. What was the time? 3 years. Yes. Now after solving, what will we get here, 2 zeros of 100, 1 0 480 and 2 2s are 4 and 8. Now therefore the rate of interest is equal to 8% per annum. So how we get the value of rate, according to this formula. Now if we want to find PRT, so you can write these formulas. If we want to, rate is clear. Now we want to get principal, then simple interest into 100 and it will be divided by R into T. If we want to find the time, then P और R क्या आ जाएगा आपका डिनोमिनेटर में. Is that clear? So P into R will be there. So this is formula for finding the principal, and this is for time, and this is for rate. This is the formula for finding the rate. So how you can get the value of the simple interest? Simple interest का formula क्या हुआ आपके पास? Principal into rate into time divided by 100. If we want to find the total amount, then principal plus simple interest is the total amount. If we want to find the rate के लिए आपका क्या formula है? Simple interest into 100 divided by the P into T. P means principal, T into time. And if we want to get the principal, then its formula is simple interest into 100 rate into time से divide हो जाएगा. If we want to find the time, then simple interest into 100 divided by principal into rate. So this is all about the simple interest, principal, rate and total amount. So further you can do the practice of the exercise 9.4. Thank you.